All right, Beth. So, just a bit of a lesson substitute here. So, we were talking a little bit the last day about how, hand strength is kind of an issue, right? For everybody, particularly when you're sort of going, all those bar chords and all that kind of stuff. Particularly here, it really wears you out. So, here's just a nice little thing. It sounds really good. It's kind of a funky type thing, but it'll kind of help you along with that type of thing, hopefully. So, really, the only solution to that problem is to just wreck your hand, you know, often, and your hand will take a little bit longer each time to get wrecked in the future. So, it's like anything else. So this one, it's heavy. It's fairly bar heavy. Okay, so we're going to start off now. You can do this in any key. I'll do it in D minor for now. Okay, so D minor with the A minor position. So there's A minor 7. Then we bring it up A sharp, B, no B sharp, C, C sharp, D. Okay, see that there? Okay, so we're going to start off with just the bar, and then you hammer on these two. So that was kind of made famous. That idea was kind of popularized by David Gilmour, I think, in Pink Floyd, in Another Brick in the Wall. So that's it there. So we're going. Then we're moving up to the A minor 7. So if that's E minor 7. So there's regular E minor. There's E minor 7. And we're just taking that up 5 frets to the A minor position, okay? So we're just going to go A minor, G sharp minor, 1 fret down, and another fret down, G minor, 7, and then back. So I'll play the whole thing. Throw it in twice if you want. So we're doing the hammer on, then down a semitone, another semitone, and back up. So, so if you want to, so that idea there of kind of taking that particular chord in that context and going down one semitone and another semitone, you could do it back up the way as well. Common enough thing. It depends on the genre you're in, but sort of funk, R&B, that type of thing. You'd hear it a lot. Soul in that kind of thing. So if you want to be able to repeat it, it's not good enough to know that here we're doing D minor, A minor, G sharp minor, and G minor 7. It's because then you only know it for that key, right? So that's not really it. Let's say you want to put that same idea in a song that's not in D minor, then you might, it's going to be a lot harder to figure out what to do. So in that case, we have to know it in terms of firsts and fifths and that type of thing, because then you can just apply that to any key, right? So we're in D minor and we're moving to an A. So what's A in the key of D minor? What degree is that in, right? So if we go to start off on D and move up the scale, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your A note there. So it's the fifth. So what it really means is you're starting off at the first degree. We're in D minor, so D minor 7 is at the first degree because it's a D minor chord. Then we're moving to the fifth, then the flat fifth, then the fourth. All the same chord types, all minor 7 chords. So first, fifth, flat fifth, fourth. So then you can do it in any key, right? Now, obviously, you can just take that same shape up and do it. Let's say we're doing it in E minor, so that's 7, A minor 7 on the 7th fret. But being able to just take that exact same shape and bring it up is not enough, because what if you're not using an A minor shape? Let's say we're in G minor, and now we want to do it. So obviously now we're in a completely different position. We can't just go up a string and do down because we're already on the sixth string, right? So that's where knowing that it's the first degree to the fifth to the flat fifth to the fourth comes in handy, right? So we start off on G, we want to find the fifth. So G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's D. So there's fifth, flat fifth, fourth. So all right. So let's stick to it for now anyway, because as I said, the main idea of this is hand strength. So we're going. So once more, that's fifth fret, hammer on that minor 7 shape. Then there's your minor 7, E minor 7 shape on the fifth fret, which makes it A minor 7. And I suppose with this one, if you really get tired, only if you really get tired, you can get a bit of help from your middle finger as well. Just don't make a habit of it. All right, I'll see you next week.